and welcome back to English Cast Duo, the podcast where you don't just listen to English, you speak it.
That's right, this is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just real English practice with two real voices. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. And today, we are doing something special. We are talking about change. You know, the world moves very fast. Sometimes it feels a little too fast.
Exactly. Change can be scary, whether it is a new job, moving to a new city, or even just learning a new language like English. But here's the secret. Adapting to change is a superpower.
It really is. So today, we are going to practice sentences that help you feel strong when life changes. We are going to build your confidence, one sentence at a time.
If you have been feeling stuck or anxious about the future, this episode is perfect for you. Stay with us.
Before we begin, let's talk about how to use this video. We are using a technique called shadowing.
Shadowing is simple but powerful. We say a sentence and you repeat it immediately. You don't wait. You copy our rhythm, our speed, and our emotion.
Alex, do you remember when you first started learning a new skill and felt stuck? Maybe when you were learning to drive or even cooking.
Oh, absolutely. Honestly, I was terrible at first. I remember trying to learn guitar. My fingers hurt, the sound was bad, and I felt like I was failing. But that is part of the process.
Exactly. That matters. Most learners think they need to be perfect immediately. But progress doesn't come from perfection, it comes from consistency.
So, if you're listening and thinking, I am scared of new things, that is okay. That is normal. Being nervous just means you care.
We have broken today's practice into 4 sets. We will start slow, and then we will get to natural speed. Are you ready to warm up your English muscles?
Let's do this. So, let's start with a simple question. How do we react when things change? Usually we freeze, we get scared.
Right. So set 1 is about acceptance. We need to tell our brains that change is okay. Let's begin gently. I will say the sentence slowly, then Alex will say it at a natural speed. Repeat after us. Change is a normal part of life.
Change is a normal part of life.
Good. Let's try the next one. This is about fear. I do not need to be afraid of change.
I do not need to be afraid of change.
Well done. Seriously, just saying that out loud makes you feel stronger.
It does. Now, let's look at the word adapt. To adapt means to change yourself to fit a new situation. It is like water taking the shape of a cup.
I love that image. Let's practice using that word. Listen to the rhythm. When things change, I can adapt.
When things change, I can adapt.
Let's try a longer one. Take a deep breath. I am flexible and strong in new situations.
I am flexible and strong in new situations. That's the point. You didn't stop. You might be thinking, but Alex, I still feel nervous. No worries. We are just getting started.
In our source material today, the speaker talks about having a beginner's mind. Alex, what does that mean to you?
It means it is okay to be new at something. It means you drop your ego. You don't have to know everything on day 1.
That is so important. Many of us feel embarrassed when we are beginners. We think we should already be experts.
Exactly, but if your cup is already full, you cannot pour more tea into it. You have to be empty to learn. So, for set 2, we will practice being okay with not knowing.
Repeat after Alex. We will focus on the feeling of relief. You don't have to be perfect.
It is okay to be a beginner.
It is okay to be a beginner.
I give myself permission to learn slowly.
I give myself permission to learn slowly.
You're doing amazing, seriously. Feel that word permission. You're allowing yourself to relax.
Let's connect ideas now. Often we think mistakes are bad, but in the beginner's mind, mistakes are just data. They are information.
Right? Let's practice that.
Making mistakes is how I learn.
Making mistakes is how I learn.
Let's try one more in this set. A strong affirmation.
I am not failing. I am growing.
I am not failing, I am growing.
That actually means this episode is perfect for you. If you stumbled on a word just now, celebrate it. It means you are pushing your limits.
Okay, we are halfway through. Now let's talk about the dip.
The dip is that moment when the excitement of starting something new fades away, and it just feels like hard work.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's when you want to quit.
Exactly. But that is where the real learning happens. So set 3 is about resilience. It is about keeping going when it gets tough.
Let's increase the energy a little bit here. Stronger voices. Repeat after me. I can handle difficult challenges.
I can handle difficult challenges.
Good. Now let's focus on the timeline. Learning takes time. I am patient with my progress.
I am patient with my progress. Nice work. Now let's try a sentence with a bit of grammar focus. We are going to use used to. This compares the past to the present.
I used to be afraid, but now I am curious.
I used to be afraid, but now I am curious and
That was a long one. You did great.
if you're still with us right now, that matters. Most people quit by now, but you are still here. That proves you have resilience. Now let's move to the final part. Part 4. We need to take action.
The concept is pivoting. That just means turning in a new direction. It's not quitting. It's adjusting your sails to catch the wind.
Let's practice sentences about moving forward. We are going to do this at real-life speed. No slowing down now. Ready?
I am building my future today.
I am building my future today.
Action is better than fear.
Action is better than fear.
One last powerful sentence. Say this with your whole heart. I trust myself to figure it out.
I trust myself to figure it out. Wow, that was powerful. I trust myself. That is the most important lesson of all.
Congratulations! You've completed the full practice. You didn't just listen, you participated.
Remember, life is not a straight line. It goes up and down, just like learning a language. There will be days when you feel stuck, and days when you feel like a champion.
And just like this practice, the key is to keep showing up. You showed up, you spoke, and you adapted. We are so proud of you.
If this video helped you, let us know in the comments. Which sentence was your favorite?
We read every comment. See you in the next episode. Keep shining and keep learning. You've got this.